In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Facebook Pixel to Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting up a Facebook Pixel on Typeform can greatly enhance your marketing efforts. This will allow you to track the actions your users take on your forms, helping you analyze the effectiveness of your ads. By using this data, you can optimize your campaigns for better returns. So, let's get into the step-by-step process to make this connection. First, let's head over to the Typeform platform. You'll want to access your workspaces. You can do this by going to the Typeform website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look for a section labeled Workspaces. This area is crucial because it houses all your forms. Navigating to this part of the site is the foundation of linking your Facebook Pixel. Once you've found your workspaces, the next step is to create a new form. You will see an option labeled New Form. Click on that button. This initiates the creation of a new form, allowing you to customize it however you like. Once the new form setup begins, you can tailor it to your specific audience and set up the questions that matter most to you. After creating your form, look for a button that says Connect. This step is essential as it opens the way to various integrations that Typeform offers. Clicking Connect will lead you to a section where you can connect different third-party services to your Typeform. From here, the next step is to integrate Facebook. In the search bar within the Integrations section, type in Facebook. This action will help filter the options available and will display Facebook-related integrations. You'll want to keep an eye out for the Facebook Pixel option specifically. Once you find the Facebook Pixel integration, click on it. This is where the magic happens. Linking your pixel is the critical step. Facebook Pixel is an analytics tool that helps you measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions your users take. By linking it, you can track conversions from your Typeform submissions and optimize your ad targeting. After you've clicked on the Facebook Pixel option, you will see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click that. This is the final push to establish the connection between Typeform and Facebook Pixel. If you see a confirmation or a message indicating a successful connection, that's your green light. Now you're all set up. You've just linked Facebook Pixel to your Typeform. Simply put, you've set yourself up to track how users interact with your forms and gain valuable insights that can enhance your marketing strategies. To ensure that everything works smoothly, it's always a good idea to test your form. Go through the form submission process yourself to confirm that the data is being tracked correctly in your Facebook Ads Manager. This step not only helps you validate the connection you've made, but also allows you to see how the data flows through the different stages. That's it for this process. In a matter of a few clicks, you've successfully integrated Facebook Pixel with Typeform. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you navigate through linking these two powerful tools. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy form building!